Anne.
I'm James, and we're dance ambassadors for Matthew Bourne's new show, Lord of the Flies,
Which is coming to Cardiff, Wales Millennium Centre in October 2014. As part of the project, James and I will be delivering workshops across South Wales, so as far west as Swansea, east is Newport, up to Abergavenny and Torquay, and then Cardiff and Porthcawl in between.
We can also deliver workshops at schools and different organisations, and we're really keen to find the talent in South Wales.
So if you come to one of our workshops, we'll be doing team building exercises. You'll also get to learn some choreography from the show. And we'll also be setting creative tasks so we can see how you work together in teams, in pairs, and how you work creatively.
The show is obviously Lord of the Flies, and the movement from the show, it's quite a dark, savage show.
And it might not be movement that boys particularly think of as dance, so a lot of the movement we've got is based on sport movement, so tennis, football, we've got a bit of rugby in there as well, I think. We've also got some stage combat, so this type of movement might not be the type of movement that boys would traditionally think is dance movement, so it would be a good chance for boys to come in to give it a go, especially because it'll be in an environment where there's no girls, so it's all boys together and trying something new, maybe for the first time.
And we've got the stick routine, haven't we?
Yeah, we have.
It's kind of training yourself how to work with sticks and look after yourself if you're in the wild.
So to find out more and to get involved, please visit our website.
Yeah, we're very excited and can't wait for you to get involved.